Hi guys, welcome inside of the brand new Land Rover Defender in the Dutch forest, and I'd like to take the opportunity to talk you through some of the key items on the interior here. Let's start with the dashboard. Right in front of us we see a touchscreen. Well, that's quite common in modern day cars, but fortunately it's not just a massive touchscreen. Now they thought of nice physical switchgear that is easy to reach and easy to feel. So tactile properties to switch on the radio, to lower the temperature, put the heated seats on. Very well done, because too many modern cars have touch screens only, which means you have to take your eyes off the road just to put your heated seat on or just to put the radio on another channel. So very well done by the Land Rover design team. If we look at the interior of this car, it's a black on black car, so a black exterior and a black interior. Heritage Customs will work on, for instance, the dashboard padding here. So this unit, which is black leather here, and this unit here as well, we will reupholster it just like the steering wheel, the heart of the steering wheel. The door panels too, these type of units here, the grab handle, the center console here, and obviously the seats. We basically have two types of customization available. One is truly 100% custom made, and the other one is still very bespoke. A very limited number of cars will be equipped with that specific design, and they will stop it and will make a new design. On the custom seat design, we'll do bespoke embroidery, and for instance in the headrest. But it's not just about embroidery, it's really truly the materials. So think of beautiful leathers, but also for instance tweeds or denims. We'll have a beautiful black on black car edition, of which we'll make only 15, which has a interior that is equipped with, like I said, black denim on the steering wheel, on the dashboard, on the seats, door panels. That's going to be something truly special. This car honestly is almost like a blank canvas. So for instance, if you look at the dashboard at the passenger side, we've got this unit there. Currently it says Defender, it's in plastic. We're working on making beautifully solid aluminium milled inserts that will go there, which can have, for instance, the Heritage logo, or even a completely bespoke design made to suit the owner and his specific wishes. We can do that with carbon fiber, like I said, with aluminium, which we can mill, but we can also sandblast it. There's a very wide range of options available for this car and for its interior. So please do watch your space, because we're working very hard on all these different options to develop them, to design them, and to take them into production. And we'll share it with you on this channel. Thanks for watching, and speak soon.